it's me. I'm back, Mishita. So last video you've probably seen it. I've already shown you this adorable rabbit. So I've already shown you it in the last video. But now we're going to unbox one of the presents. Okay, I'll leave you. Laugh all you want. It's my birthday. I'm gonna open this. It's a smart game from 8 to adult. I'm already 9. It's written 8 to adult. This is for over 9 years old, so it can be played by 8 years old to an adult. This is used for one player only. If you have a child who is bored at home, go to Hamleys. You can buy Walls Warriors. It's a good game. I've heard many good things. So let's open it. Okay, let's hear. Okay, so it comes with this case. I don't know what that's for, but there are instructions. We are going to read that. So this is there, and there are some wall pieces. I suppose they're going there. Yeah, I suppose. So we have blue warriors and red warriors. We're going to keep those aside. And we have some more wall pieces. This one has blue on it. Blue tops. So I guess that's for the blue team. Okay, so this is... Now this is this is a puzzle which you can put, okay? So first of all, we are going to see, okay, this is just an option. Okay. Do you guys know this language? Do you guys know this language? I don't think I know this language. This is the most hardest language I've ever seen. Is this even from India? So what am I going to read on this? Oh, this is English. Chose a challenge. Place a red knight, the enemy, the blue knight, your knights, and high towers with blue rooftop on the game board as indicated as the challenge. You must not move them until the challenge has been completed. At starter level, you are also given the position of one more walls to get you off to a flying start. I didn't actually understand this, but we're gonna take a starters. So where's that? Okay, this is starters. So I'm gonna go to the first level. Okay, so I guess we're gonna do this. Okay, so we need this piece, which we already have right here. So we're gonna keep that like, are we supposed to keep this like this? Yeah, it's. So we're gonna keep it like that. That's what it says. Now this, right? Yeah. This game is a bit confusing for me because I don't know like how to play it yet. Okay. Okay, so we need a straight line. Yeah, there it is. Okay, we're supposed to place it like that. I was a bit confused there. So, do we need this? Yeah, I don't think we need it. Yeah, we don't need it. Do we need this? It's like, I suppose, yeah. Yeah, we need it. But this is supposed to be it. Sorry guys, if you are watching this, I'm a starter in this. I don't actually know how to do it. If you guys know, then please write down in the comments. I may understand. And so I don't know, I'll continue this at home. So if you guys liked this video, then please like and subscribe. It's my birthday and you better, otherwise I'll cry. And no birthday girl wants to cry on her birthday, right? So this is a bit confusing. I'm gonna do this at home. Till then, you guys take care, like and subscribe, hit the bell notification, and write in the comments happy birthday. Bye!